How to know if the land I want to buy is under government acquisition? First of all, buying a land that is under government acquisition is a very big risk, because it is only a matter of time the land that is under government acquisition will be taken away from you by the government, because that land belongs to the government and the government already have some purpose that they want to do with that land. So it is only a matter of time the land will be taken. So it is very advisable not to buy a land that is under government acquisition. But then, how do you know if the land you want to buy is under government acquisition? It is very simple. Whenever you want to buy a property, it is very advisable to take a surveyor to the land that you want to buy. Take a surveyor to the land and he is going to pick up coordinates from the land. With the coordinate that is gotten from the land, you can now proceed to the office of the Surveyor General of your state and conduct a land search using that coordinates. This will enable you to know if the land which you are about to buy is under government acquisition, and also it will also give you some information about the land you want to buy. If you are in Portharcourt, the office of the Surveyor General office is located at number 22 William Jumbo Street. If you are in Portharcourt, then in Lagos, the office of the Surveyor General office is located at Alausa. So if you have been watching my video for some time, you will agree with me that I have always emphasized on the importance of picking up coordinates from the land, not the coordinates in the survey plan, because a land that is under government acquisition cannot be registered in the Surveyor General's office. So what so many surveyors, what they do when they want to register a land that is under government acquisition, what they do to get that land registered is they change the coordinates in the survey plan. They change the coordinates and give that land a fake coordinate, a coordinate of a place that is not under government acquisition. So when they give that place a fake coordinate and the place is not under government acquisition, that survey plan can be registered in the office of the Surveyor General's office. So when you go to a Surveyor General's office with a survey plan carrying a fake coordinate and you chart up the property, it is going to show that the property that you want to buy is free from government acquisition, whereas that property is under government acquisition. So that is why it is very important you go to a surveyor to the land, you pick up the coordinates from the land. Do not trust the coordinates you are seeing on the survey plan, because it can be forged. You pick up the coordinates from the land, you proceed to the office of the Surveyor General and chart up the property to know if the property is under government acquisition. If you have gotten value from this video, kindly click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and do well to click on the bell notification so you'll be notified when we post new video. Till I come your way next time, my name is Chris Aseka.